everybody, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and it's
Hope.
So we thought it would be fun today. I'm kind of scooching down so that you can see her too. We thought it would be fun today to take you along. I found this recipe, and it's a Weight Watchers recipe, and that's not why I'm doing it, but you know, it's a bonus. It's a bonus so you can munch out, all of us moms and grandmoms, but it's a really simple recipe. It's 3 ingredients. Perfect for a kiddo to make. So right now, what she is doing, lift up what you got in your hand. She's putting the little liners inside of the pan down there. So that's what we're working on right now. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to show you. Matter of fact, I won't even turn around. I'm just going to show you the ingredients. So hold on. Credit to where credit is due. This was not my idea. I'm not a cook, I'm just saying. All right, so it came from this website, Cook, Eat, and Go, Food, Fitness, and Fun, Weight Watchers Pumpkin Muffins recipe, and I will leave a link down in the description box for y'all. Not that you're really gonna need. This is how easy it is. I can even do it. So, I will tell you what it entails. This trusty little Duncan Hines perfectly moist spice cake. So a box of spice cake. I bought the Libby's 100% pure pumpkin, 15-ounce can of pumpkin, and some water. Never had these before. We're gonna find out. Let's get here at the table because even though I have a brand new home, I don't have a lot of counter space. Quite frankly, we don't have a lot of counter space. All right, so we have our 1 cup of water. We have our can of pumpkin.
And we have our can opener.
Our can opener. And we have this. So you're gonna go ahead and start working on opening that, and I'll open your can of pumpkin so that you don't do any bodily harm to yourself with the lid. Come on, muscles. Let's have it. All right. And it says just to stir it, so I'm just going to use a rubber spatula. Yep, so go ahead. Here, let me move it down so y'all can see better what she's doing here. All right. Want me to cut it?
Yep.
All right, so you're just going to carefully pour it in the bowl. Okay. There you go.
All of it?
Yep, the whole thing. There you go.
That smells good.
Yeah, doesn't it? I love spice cake. Do any of y'all love some spice cake? Because I certainly do.
That's all.
All right, so the next thing is we will... oh, the oven's ready. I don't know. I didn't read the directions about what to put in first. Maybe I should have, but you know, I don't ever. I'm really bad about that kind of stuff, y'all. Just letting you know. But here's some pumpkin.
That is a whole bunch of pumpkin.
It is. All right. It does smell good. All right, so here you go. You can add in the water carefully. You got it?
Yep.
All right, so now you're just gonna stir it up. Carefully stir and stir. Carefully. Wait a minute. Here, let's kind of fold it in a little bit. Let's do this. Because see when you're stirring like that, how close you're getting to the edge? So let's try not to flop it out of the bowl. Okay, so mix all ingredients together in a bowl. Line or grease your cupcake pan. Fill 1/2 to 3/4 full, and they bake for 15 to 22 minutes. So we have our trusty little lined pan, which Hope already did in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
Sweet cheeks. All right, you're doing good. Here, let me get the sides here real quick. Keep stirring. So I thought this would be a perfect little homeschool day thing that we could do together, because, you know, we're still doing school. It's summer, but that doesn't matter for us. And this is just something fun to do. After coming back from having company for a whole week, something fun to break into the school spirit again. Right, Hope?
Right.
Right. All right, let's see. I think you pretty much got it. Let me just scrape the bottom and make sure. Oop, I got some on. You know what? Go ahead, lick it off. Now go wash your hands. You do have to go wash your hands. All right. So now we are going to pour all of this into these little trusty cupcake holders. So she's learning something about, we were getting ready to do this, and she's like, Piper, come on in, whatever. I was like, no, we can't do that. Now you need to go wash your hands again because you picked up the cat. All right?
Right.
All right, so let me pause this for a second because I'm never prepared. I'll be right back. She needs something to scoop this all in there. So she's gonna start filling. I did one for her just to give her an idea about how full it needed to be. And, you know, I'm just so fancy. I just use, you know, an 1/8 measuring cup. I don't have any fancy baking supplies. We just do us around here.
Can I do it now?
Of course. Yep. Go for it. Go for it, my little chickie. I'm just going to make it match that side. Yep. So keep going. I'll bring it down so you can see what she's doing. Yep, that's good. Try to get it in the container.
Trying.
Yeah, here. Can I show you one thing to do? Kind of like scrape the edge a little bit, and then when you do it, it won't be all over. And it'll work a little bit better for you. There you go, see? Good job. Perfect. Yep, move on to the next one. All right, so.
These smell so good.
They do. By the way, they smell amazing already and we haven't even baked them yet. So I'm just going to let her continue to fill the tin up with batter. And we had to set the oven at 350 degrees and it's already ready. And yeah, when we go to put them in the oven, we'll take you along. Right, Hope?
Right.
Right. She did a great job. Her little muffins are ready for the oven.
Yes, they are.
You ready? Set. Girl just
go.
asked the funniest question ever. Tell me what you asked me. That was pretty funny.
When they're done cooking, can I have a cupcake?
You mean a muffin? No, we're just gonna look at them. See how pretty they are. Of course we're gonna eat them. I haven't had any breakfast yet. I'm starving and it's like, what time is it? It's 10 minutes to 11. So yeah, there's going to be some muffin eating going on around here. And probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Poppy get on here later. And we'll see what he thinks. Tell us if they're good or not. He will be the determining factor. So we can have like less than a minute and they're going to be out of the oven. And I'm going to show you what they look like. 5 more minutes. I put them in for 15. It said 15 to 22. So I'm going to do 5 more. And the reason why I chose 5 more minutes was because when I went to grab the pan out of the oven, I smushed one of the muffins. I totally squished it with my pot holder. So if you all are thinking that you're going to get some like pretty wonderful looking food from us, that's not happening. We're just doing this because it's fun. Right, Hope?
Right.
Because it's fun. That's it. Was the magic number for my oven.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. Right?
Right.
Right.
Now let's get to eating.
Watch out. It is hot. Watch out, I'm dangerous. Okay, so I'm going to show you what they look like. They look pretty yummy.
And you can
And
see
you
the
see
way
where I stuck my oven mitt right in there. They look really yummy. They smell really yummy. This one, I don't know. Poor dude. All the rest, they're like pretty bouncy. You know, they're done. Look pretty good to me.
So can we eat them?
Can we eat them, she says? They're really hot. Are you ready? She's
Yeah.
dying to try them, so we're going to try them. They're not even cooled off yet, but Okay, which one did you want?
This one.
This one. All right. So, oh, that's the one she picked. It's really hot. Here, want me to get it?
Yep. Oh.
I want to show in the middle. Like, it is hot. Do you see the steam? Are you sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
All right, just like break off a little piece. Like, it's wicked hot. If she burns herself, I'll probably have to omit this portion of video.
It's good.
Are they good? Are they? All right, now you have my curiosity up. Ow! Yeah. They're good, but I would rather that they were cooled off. So anyways, I think they're pretty good though, aren't they? Yeah. So they're a keeper. I would do them again. Would you want me to make them again? Yeah. So we know who's going to eat them all. Every 5 minutes she's going to be, Grammy, can I have a muffin? Grammy, can I have a muffin? Are your kids like that? Do they eat like 24/7? It was so funny because my daughter was here last week and she has 3 little ones that are 4 and under, soon to be 5 and under. The youngest one is only 4 months old. And they eat all day long. And she even said, she's like, Mom, that's all I hear all day. Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, I'm thirsty. Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, I'm thirsty. And it's true. That's all they did. They eat nonstop. Don't you? They have metabolisms like crazy. They just eat and eat, keep on eating. So anyways, I hope that this video was a blessing to you. We had fun making it. It was fun to do something different. And I will see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Poppy's here. He's going to be the taste tester. We already taste tested as he rolls his eyes at us. All right. Grab him a muffin, Hopi.
Okay.
That one?
Yes.
All right. Here we go.
This is pumpkin, right?
Yep.
Yeah. It's the 3 ingredient.
3 ingredients.
Yes. Water, pumpkin, and spice
I'm
cake.
glad to hear that pumpkin is one of the ingredients.
You like it?
Randy
good.
does not like them.
Yeah. I think they're
Very
okay.
good.
I'm glad that they like them. Hope all afternoon, just like I said, Grammy can I have a muffin. Grammy can I have a muffin. Grammy can I have a muffin. How many have you eaten? Do you think? She's lost.
6?
She may have.
6.
I know she's had at least 4. It's a good thing they're Weight Watchers eyes. All right, there you have it. 2-1 in favor of.
Very, very extremely moist.
Extremely moist, and I even baked them longer.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. The second batch I baked longer even yet, and I don't know. Not my thing. It's a texture thing for me, I think.
They won't last long.
Yeah,
All right, y'all.
Bye.